YouTube channel. How to start a YouTube channel and make money online. Hello and welcome back to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, the series where we explore real, practical, and beginner-friendly ways to build income using the internet. In today's episode, we're talking about one of the most exciting opportunities available today: starting a YouTube channel. Have you ever watched a video that taught you how to cook a recipe, repair a computer, learn Excel, improve your health, or understand a complex topic in just a few minutes? Behind every one of those videos is a creator who decided to share knowledge with the world. Many of those creators have turned that decision into a full-time business. The exciting part is this: you don't have to be famous. You don't need expensive equipment. And you don't need millions of subscribers to begin. You simply need valuable information that helps people. So what is a YouTube channel? A YouTube channel is your personal space on YouTube where you publish videos on topics you're passionate about or knowledgeable about. Every video becomes an opportunity to educate, entertain, inspire, or solve someone's problem. Unlike a regular job, a YouTube video can continue working for you long after you upload it. A single helpful video may receive views for months or even years, creating long-term earning opportunities. Now, the question everyone asks is, how do YouTubers actually make money? Let's explore the main income sources. The first and most well-known is YouTube ad revenue. Once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements for monetization, ads can appear on your videos, and you earn a share of the advertising revenue. The more quality content you create, and the more engaged your audience becomes, the greater your earning potential. The second income source is affiliate marketing. Imagine you create a video reviewing a microphone, a camera, or a useful software tool. If you include an affiliate link in the video description, and someone purchases through that link, you may earn a commission. The third method is brand sponsorships. As your audience grows, companies may approach you to feature or review their products. Sponsored videos often become a significant income source for established creators. The fourth method is selling your own products or services. Many YouTubers sell online courses, ebooks, digital templates, merchandise, coaching, consulting, or software. Your videos build trust, and trust leads to sales. The fifth method is memberships and fan support. Loyal viewers often support creators through channel memberships, digital communities, or other fan support platforms, giving creators another way to generate recurring income. Now let's discuss how to start your own YouTube channel. Step 1 is choosing your niche. Don't try to create videos about everything. Instead, focus on one topic that you enjoy and can consistently create content about. Popular niches include technology, education, personal finance, cooking, fitness, travel, artificial intelligence, productivity, gaming, motivation, and DIY projects. The second step is creating valuable content. Ask yourself before recording every video, what problem am I helping someone solve? People come to YouTube for answers, entertainment, and inspiration. The more value your videos provide, the more likely viewers are to subscribe and return. The third step is consistency. Many successful creators upload on a regular schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a week, consistency helps build trust with your audience and gives YouTube more opportunities to recommend your content. The fourth step is learning basic YouTube SEO. Create clear titles that match what people are searching for. Design attractive thumbnails that encourage clicks. Write helpful descriptions. Use relevant keywords naturally. These small improvements can make a big difference in helping new viewers discover your videos. Now let's talk about equipment. Many beginners believe they need an expensive camera and professional studio. The truth is, you can start with a smartphone, a simple microphone, and good lighting. Content quality matters far more than expensive equipment. As your channel grows, you can gradually upgrade your setup. Let's also discuss common mistakes. Don't copy other creators. Don't buy fake subscribers or fake views. Don't upload videos only because they're trending if they don't fit your niche. Don't give up after your first few videos. Every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. They improved one video at a time. Now, how much can you earn? There is no fixed answer. Some creators earn a modest side income. Others build businesses that generate thousands or even millions of dollars each year. Your income depends on factors such as your niche, audience engagement, video quality, consistency, and the different ways you choose to monetize your content. Remember, YouTube is not only a platform for earning advertising revenue. It's also a powerful tool for building a personal brand, attracting clients, promoting products, and creating opportunities that extend far beyond the platform itself. If you're ready to start, here are some useful resources. The YouTube Creator Academy offers free lessons on creating and growing a channel. Google Trends helps you discover topics people are searching for. Google Keyword Planner can help you understand search demand. Canva is useful for designing eye-catching thumbnails. TubeBuddy and VidIQ can help you research keywords and optimize your videos. Take time to learn these tools, but remember that no tool is more important than creating content that genuinely helps people. Before we finish, here's one final thought. Don't wait for the perfect camera. Don't wait for the perfect microphone. Don't wait until you know everything. Your first video won't be perfect, and it doesn't need to be. Every video teaches you something new. Every upload improves your skills. Every subscriber begins with a single viewer. The most successful YouTube creators aren't necessarily the most talented. They're often the ones who stayed consistent when others gave up. So choose your niche. Create your first video. Publish it. Learn from it. Then create the next one.